What is applied behavior analysis? ABA is a science-based approach to understanding why people do the things they do. It focuses on understanding the functions of problem behaviors so that new appropriate behaviors that serve the same function can be learned. It does all of this by using these 7 characteristics of applied behavior analysis. For example, this is George. George receives special education services as a student with an emotional disability. George's mom brought him to a BCBA due to his aggressive behavior. It's causing issues at home. It's causing issues at school. ABA is applied. It focuses on behaviors that are socially significant in order to enhance and improve people's lives. George's aggression includes hitting teachers and other staff members during class. ABA is behavioral. The behavior that needs to be improved must be clearly defined, observable, and must also be measurable. Hitting can be defined as any instance of George making forceful contact with another person with his hand or arm with a closed or opened fist. This does not include high fives or fist bumps. It is analytic. The analyst will observe George's behavior and collect data to determine the function of George's behavior and how to move forward with the intervention. It's been determined that the function of George's hitting behavior is escape from task. ABA is technological. Almost like a recipe, the steps of the intervention are written in such detail that they can be done the same way each session and by any member of the team. The procedures for George's intervention might include the following. Before work is to begin, George will be offered a choice of 2 tasks, and he will choose which one he wants to do first. When he wants to take a break, he will need to request it by saying, "I need a break." The teacher will set a timer for 1 minute for George to take a break. Then he'll go back to work. ABA is conceptually systematic. Interventions are consistent with the principles of ABA. Practitioners use only methods that have been research-based and scientifically verified. The intervention being implemented to change George's behavior utilizes the principles of ABA. ABA must be effective. The behavioral techniques used must improve the behavior being addressed. By the time the intervention was complete, George was no longer hitting his teachers. A behavior change has generality if it lasts over time, appears in environments other than the one in which the intervention was implemented, or it spreads to other behaviors not directly treated by the intervention. If George stopped hitting others at home as well as at school and maintained the alternate behavior, then the intervention demonstrated generality. That is ABA in a nutshell.